the introduction, the toxicity of agrochemical has profound implications for both the environmental and human health. In agriculture, these chemicals are used to boost crop yields and protect against pests. Agrochemical can contaminate soil and water, disrupting ecosystem and reducing biodiversity.
In this video, I'm going to explain the environmental impact, which is environmental concern require a shift towards sustainable agriculture practices. Number 1, soil contamination. Microbial disruptions. Soil is home to a diverse ecosystem of microorganisms that play a vital role in nutrient cycling and soil health. Second is water pollution. This happens because of runoff when it rains or when fields are irrigated. Agrochemicals on the soil surface can be washed into nearby water bodies. This runoff carries pesticides.
I will explain the human health impact of agrochemicals. Agrochemicals can affect people in two main ways, physically and mentally. First, there are chronic health effects. Some pesticides and herbicides are known or suspected carcinogens, which means long-term exposure can increase the risk of developing cancer. This is especially dangerous for agricultural workers who handle these chemicals regularly without proper protection. Secondly, agrochemicals also create physiosocial impacts. Many workers experience stress and anxiety because they are aware of the possible health risks. The fear of being exposed to harmful chemicals can lead to ongoing mental health issues and reduce their overall well-being. Because of this risk, it is important to have strict safety regulation and proper training to ensure that workers know how to handle agrochemicals safely. By improving awareness and protection, we can reduce both the physical and mental health impacts on those in the agricultural sector.
Innovation and initiative to tackle adverse effects of agrochemical on human and environmental health. The first point is biological pest control. Biological pest control utilize a natural predator, parasite and pathogens to manage pest population. And second point is precision agriculture. Precision agriculture involves the use of advanced technology to optimize farming practices.
Now we're going to talk about application of artificial intelligence. First, early detection of health risks. AI-driven early detection of health risks associated with agrochemical exposure is a critical component of ensuring the safety. The second one, pesticide exposure measure. AI-powered pesticide exposure monitoring is a secure tool in safeguarding the health of farm workers who handle and apply agrochemicals. Thank you.
For the next is regulatory measure and sustainable practice. Sustainable practice. Organic farming. Farming avoids synthesis agrochemical and relies on natural alternative. Point number 2, regulatory measure. Training and certification. So, many countries require individuals who handle and apply agrochemical to undergo training and certification. In conclusion, the use of agrochemical, while helpful in increasing agriculture productivity, poses serious risk to both environmental and human health. That is all. Thank you. Question number 1. What do you personally learn about sustainability in agro industry? My answer is eco-friendly technology. I learned that modern technology like smart farming, it can help farmers increase productivity while minimizing environmental damage. For the question number 2 is, how did your team adapt to challenges during this project? I think can help each other when facing difficulties. For example, team members support one another whenever someone needs health.
What did I learn about sustainability in agro-industry is, as a future agro-industry practitioner, this topic is deeply meaningful because it defines my professional responsibility. It is not just about growing food, but about growing it safely and ethically. Second, how did my perspective thinking shift during this project is, to address the problem of toxicity, the most important skill to expert is integrate pest management, it is IPM. This is a strategy that focuses on long-term prevention of pests by combining biological, culture and physical.
For this project, my perspective on agrochemicals changed quite a lot. At first, I saw them mainly as useful tools that help increase crop production. However, through our research, I began to realize the hidden risks behind their use. I learned how chemical toxicity can harm ecosystems, contaminate the environment, and even affect human health in the long run. This helped me understand that the impact of agrochemicals is much more deeper than I initially thought. Moving forward, I would like to explore more about eco-friendly pest management. I'm especially interested in biological control and natural repellents because this method can reduce farmers' dependence on harmful chemical inputs. By learning about sustainable alternatives, I hope to understand how we can protect crops while also safeguarding the environment and human well-being.
What did you personally learn about sustainability in agro-based industry? Agro-based industry taught me that the agriculture, livestock and fisheries sector need to be further to balance the economy, environment and well-being in the future. And why is this topic personally meaningful to you as a future agro-industry practitioner? This topic is very important because toxicity of agrochemical can reduce how pesticide, herbicide and fertilizer, while boosting food production, can also harm ecosystem, biodiversity and human health.
Now I'm going to talk about reflection. What do I think personally learn about sustainability in agro-industry? I learned that sustainability in agro-industry is not only about protecting the environment, but also about ensuring long-term economic viability and social responsibility. And how did I perspective or thinking shift during the project? Before this project, I view agro-industry mainly as a food production system. However, my perspective shift to seeing them as complex systems that involve environmental management, technology, and community well-being. Thank you.